What is going on, everybody? Guys, it's time to talk about the Bitcoin price. It's a little weird looking. It's very difficult to make sense of at this point. The patterns, look, guys, I'm a pattern. I'm a TA guy that looks for patterns, occurrences in a chart, and I don't see anything right now that makes a whole lot of sense. But we're going to look at it right now. Maybe we'll figure out something. But you can see right here since that little sell-off yesterday, and that was sell-off, by the way, was a combination of two things. It was a combination of those Chinese protests, which did nothing to instill confidence in any of the markets. And then it was $73,000 being moved, or 73,000 Ethereum being moved over to the Binance exchange, meaning that there's probably going to be a sell coming very soon. So where does that leave the Bitcoin price? Well, you can look at this and you can see here that we did kind of trend along this EMA, this 200 EMA line, and then it just kind of fell off when that happened. And now it looks like we're fighting to get back into that sort of position. Now, we haven't seen a good move or an extended move. You can look at the 30-minute chart. You can see that it's starting to turn around. You can look at the 15. Of course, it looks even better. And then you get to the 5. You start to look at a few of these lower and you can see that, maybe we're having a little bit of a move towards the upside on those, but we haven't had any significant move on any of the longer charts. So it's going to have to take a little bit more than what we've seen so far to consider that we're having any sort of rally happening. But you could say that the Korean index is up 0.34 today, and the Chinese index is up 1.3%. It's having a big spike in the first hour of trading right now. So that, of course, is right here along with Ethereum, who's doing the same thing. So, I guess a case could be made that, we're starting to see at least part of a little pump and a rally to begin with. Doge up 7% right now, having a nice little run. But everything else you just kind of see as just idling along. Again, not showing any real strength. And the more you look around, the less you're seeing any kind of patterns emerge. We're just kind of idling to the side. I mean, you could you can there's really no logic, or there's just some kind of odd sort of circumstance that you're looking for, and you can't make sense of it right now. So you're gonna have to rely on the fact that based on all of what we're seeing right now, we're just kind of idling at this point. Now, at best, you could hope for in the next little while on this hour chart, if we can see another green get minted over here, and we can see if we can get the 5-day. Actually, these are the 10 and the 50 now. The 10-day, if we can get this over the 50, then maybe we can get started on a little bit of a run. We can catch this right here. If we can get to 16,450 and just kind of stay above 16,450 for a little while, then that could pave the way for a rally up to about 17,000. That would put Ethereum somewhere in the neighborhood of around 1220, something like that. 1250 maybe. So it exists. The possibility exists that something could break out, but really we're not seeing anything, and we're not seeing any reason for anything to break out. The news, by the way, you can tell from the news that there was nothing really going on at this point, except that big move over to the Binance exchange. And we're seeing whales taking a lot of Ethereum, or we're seeing whales taking a lot of Bitcoin off of markets. And what does that mean? Well, what that generally means is that, yeah, that's a great sign when it's normal circumstances, because that's a very bullish sort of move, because now you're going to hold on to it long term, and less supply in circulation means that there's going to be a run on the price, that you're going to see some bullish pressure on the price. However, people are moving it off because they're nervous, not because they're not trading. So when we see it coming off the market right now, it's not having that same sort of resonance with people, because they want to hold on to it just in a DeFi wallet instead of holding on in a centralized exchange. I mean, FTX, you know why. Nobody needs to tell you why. You know why it's happening. So, we'll see what the next couple of days develop. We don't really have an answer for right now. I think that we're going to see a little bit of a pump tonight. It looks like we're going to see a little bit of a pump tonight. Little bit, maybe not even a relief rally at this point, but we're going to see a little bit of a pump. But let me know what you think in the comments down below. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell to be notified of content. And remember, this is not financial advice. My name is Bleaves. I am always right. And we will talk to you guys again very, very